Hi guys, Smooth Center here, and in today's video we're going to be doing a Q&A with AES the Vibes. And so I'm going to be asking her some questions, and as you can see I have 10 diamonds. And so I'm going to be buying a new animal, and she's going to choose and some things that I will be spending my gems with. So let's get into the video. So the first question is, what animals should I get? So I actually only have like two choices for diamonds because I've gotten all of the other diamond animals. So it's either saber tooth or it's so we're going to let her decide. Okay. Okay, so we have all of these animals, but as you can see, I only need the saber tooth or the sideshow horse. So we're getting the saber tooth. So I got Queen Lucky Cat. And so now I am a saber tooth. Let's see the dances and stuff because I've never gotten a saber tooth. Oh. So that's cool. So now we will be asking some other people. We're just going to be asking Jamal. So I'm just going to gift her. I don't have much on my jammer account, but here's ice armor that I paid 1 diamond for. Okay, so they wanted me to get a dolphin, but I just noticed that I have dolphin. So another person said that I should get a deer. I do have the Jamalite deer, which should be leaving in a little bit. I'm just gonna go like this. Okay, so I'm just going to trade. I'm just gonna gift her again. Okay, so that will wrap it up for the end of the video. Thank you for watching my Q&A. Bye.